Nedbank Vehicle Finance at a glance. Nedbank's vehicle finance is available through their MFC division. It's a great vehicle finance option for people who don't have a deposit and are looking for a personalized financing agreement. Let's look at the pros. Finance options for private sales and dealership sales, fixed or linked interest rates, an easy online application process. Your installment agreement is tailored to your financial situation. The cons of the Nedbank vehicle finance include: you must have a good credit history to negotiate the best interest rates and terms. Vehicles older than 10 years old are not likely to be financed unless they are classified as vintage or classic. There is a minimum income requirement of $6,500 per month. It is compulsory to take out comprehensive insurance on your vehicle for the duration of the vehicle financing period. You must be a South African resident to apply. Do I qualify for Nedbank vehicle financing? There are a few basic requirements you must fulfill to qualify for Nedbank's vehicle finance. Firstly, you must earn a minimum monthly salary of $6,500. Effectively, this means you must be permanently employed for the duration of the vehicle financing period. If you work in a commission-based job, you may be subject to further income tests. How to apply for Nedbank vehicle finance? It is easiest to apply online through the MFC website, where you can double-check any additional documentation requirements. There are also physical copies of the application forms that you can download from the website. You will need the following documents to make an application: a copy of both sides of your South African driver's license, your latest 3 months payslips, a copy of your barcoded South Africa, Idaho, proof of residence. If you have a commissions-based job, you will be required to produce physical copies of your latest 3 months bank statements. Additionally, if you intend to purchase your vehicle via a private sale, you need to provide extra information. This information includes details about the vehicle itself and the owner's contact details. If you are experiencing issues with your online application or have specific questions, do not hesitate to contact MFC directly. How much can I borrow with Nedbank vehicle finance? This will depend on your affordability and income. Unfortunately, Nedbank and MFC do not offer pre-approval or a free quote before making an application. This does not mean that you must accept their offer. You can get quotes or advice from other institutions whilst they are processing your application. Interest rate for Nedbank vehicle finance. There are 2 interest rate options for your vehicle finance plan with Nedbank. You can choose either a fixed rate or a linked rate. A fixed rate will not change despite market-related fluctuations or changes in guidelines from the SARB. This is a good option for people who have a strict budget. A linked interest rate is similar to a variable interest rate. This means that your interest rate depends on market fluctuations and changes in the prime interest rate. This may be a good option if the prime rate decreases during your loan term. Nedbank vehicle finance fees and penalties. When budgeting for a car, you will need to account for your monthly installments, insurance, and running costs. So it's important to be aware of additional fees and possible penalties in your vehicle finance plan. This includes a monthly admin fee, an initiation fee, and fees for making cash deposits. Benefits of Nedbank vehicle finance. Your vehicle financing plan is tailored to your financial situation. This means your affordability will be taken into account when deciding on your monthly installments. Additionally, Nedbank's vehicle financing plans have comparatively flexible loan terms. Most car loans are expected to be paid back over 72 months. Nedbank, however, allows for loan periods of up to 96 months. Where Nedbank vehicle finances can improve. Many other loan programs have multiple options for their application processes. Many South Africans may feel more comfortable speaking to a consultant over the telephone or physically visiting their local Nedbank branch. Comprehensive insurance, including third-party damage, can be fairly expensive. If you do not have extensive driving experience and you are trying to finance your first vehicle, this can be a hurdle. Additionally, you could have trouble if you do not have a good credit standing due to unpaid debts or not having a long enough credit history. Understandably, both uninsured individuals and those with poor credit history present a considerable amount of risk to Nedbank. It's best to contact MFC directly with any queries or concerns before beginning the application process. You do not want to sign any binding financial contract without properly understanding the terms and conditions. This includes your installment breakdown, whether you will be expected to make a balloon payment or deposit, and additional charges or service fees. Finally, you should file all car-related documents away carefully and make a note of who to contact in the event you have queries regarding your payments or in an emergency such as theft, hijacking, or serious damages. With a competitive interest rate, flexible terms and conditions, and an easy application process, Nedbank's vehicle finance could help you drive away in the car of your dreams.